The Kawasaki Ninja ZX25R SE is a high-performance sport bike that stands out in the quarter-liter segment due to its rare engine configuration and track-ready capabilities. Unlike most 250cc motorcycles that feature a twin-cylinder or single-cylinder engine, the ZX25R SE is powered by a 249cc inline four-cylinder engine, a configuration usually reserved for larger displacement bikes. This unique setup gives it a high-revving, race-inspired character that sets it apart from its competitors in terms of both performance and excitement. The price for the Kawasaki Ninja ZX25R SE in the Indian market is expected to be around Rs 8.0 lakh to Rs 8.5 lakh ex-showroom, depending on taxes and import duties, as it is currently brought in through the CBU, completely built unit route. The bike's inline-four engine produces around 43 to 45 horsepower at an astonishingly high 15,500 RPM, making it one of the most powerful 250cc motorcycles in the world. The red line extends beyond 17,000 RPM, providing a thrilling riding experience reminiscent of superbikes. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and equipped with a quick shifter and slipper clutch, the ZX25R SE offers precise gear changes and excellent control, both on the street and the track. Visually, the ZX25R SE maintains the aggressive styling of the Ninja family. It features sharp bodywork, dual LED headlamps, and a muscular fuel tank that enhances its sporty appearance. The SE variant includes premium features like a smoked windscreen, frame sliders, and special graphics that distinguish it from the standard model. The build quality is top-notch, reflecting Kawasaki's attention to detail and commitment to performance. In terms of hardware, the ZX25R SE is equipped with high-spec components, such as an upside-down front fork, horizontal backlink rear suspension, and radial mount front brake calipers. These components contribute to excellent handling, stability, and stopping power, especially during spirited rides or on track days. The bike also comes with electronic rider aids like traction control, multiple power modes, and ABS, which are rare in this segment and add to the overall confidence and safety. The ZX25R SE is designed for riders who crave a unique machine with the soul of a Supersport in a compact, manageable package. It's ideal for those looking to step into performance riding, or for enthusiasts who appreciate the heritage of high-revving,